Pagkita ma kay pagkita ma kinari blema kinari tenari bukuro kakali mo kita na kuda roje ero heke tuda bakal lisosi tesetemuele pake padku lisosi agi klo tesetemuele no pay ni betiba le no pe kasa kre pagkita ma pe kasa kre te kleki thodi le no muko de ba ne do pet kasa kre te kleki de ba a permuni pero te tagi kai mo Hutaroni, Baklekwa paid sepono. We understand about something as the okay. Jesus talk about to his disciple, okay, happening coming, okay, and the disciple grave will turn to joy. No, disciple grave will turn to joy. No, later no kora patinya la tata su tata ku apuma no. The blood corny po oro tatu tau amano. Later no kora we has the okay we has very sad all that sometime now we don't see the our loved one. This means we sad. Now we have very sad. Later no kora po oro tata usiko duma le patamu puno no. No. Kani pakle kwa bakala tama tatit pagi klo te sepo pakle kwa pelo no. I want to read for you little bit about here. No. Son of the disciples serve to one another. No. Son of the disciples sitana meta la pakitana mala. Tama puta no mano awethe silo daga. No. What does he mean by saying no? Awethe la no aware teve ta wene me menu agit temile pero temeno paini petinya sikolo tevera ne paini no do aple bot no silo ata tala asiwe tsupu no tala asiwe no tala asiwe ne paini why does he mean by saying no why does he mean by saying no do pero teralas in a little while you will see me no more, and when after a little while you will see me. After a little while, no, you will see me, no, in a little while, after a little while, no. When you put things psychological to what I am no. Penny, Devra, not dollar a seaway to so poor door thicketia, no. Tutia ba, tutitiba yaba, Magdor soporo, tukitiba ya, no, do agidi, no, Tera no, yele tosu yapa one, me a seta manile, no, yele tosu yapa one, me a seta manile, no. Tera because I am going to the Father, no, when a biggerman, no. Pero biggermala, a we a lockine, Tera pay delay. They keep asking, no, when they begin when they daughter keep, no. What does he mean by a little while? We don't understand what he is saying. No, begin mala when they oh no. Let us say no, let us so poor email no, me a say menu. Menu no pete finya ba no awasi menu ne pete finya ba no awene that is so sit down menu le te finya ma no paine pekele kwala Jesus saw that they wanted to ask him about this no awene ka sai su chi wera la aweti ero ti kwa ti do ta la ta hi we I no so he said to them no we wrote a wet teba no a wet teba no division high division no a wet teba or pagdeta no a wet told to them a wet teba with him no baka kwala tasita to the pa pain to the mother didn't ro yesu tinya wala a wet ta mo ti kwa atala or siba oh no. Are you asking once another what I meant when I said no? Pagkita mala na tu te the quarter le te kado te kama no. tứ tí qua lo đó có ta đó si ba chế ba nó phải này đó tứ tí qua lo đó có ta được cả mà nó đó si về đã nó đó si ba yes si ba chế ba tứ cho số phụ đó tứ cho thi ba ya ba đó mà cái đó cho số phụ đó tứ cái thi ba ya cái này me tứ tí qua lo tứ ta nó chế ra me tứ tí qua lo tứ ta nó David Chance right now is the what are you doing right now? I'm doing right now is the reading Bible. Okay, I'm reading Bible to showing someone, okay, to know about that. All right, and you will see something about in the Bible. Now this Bible is written by the long ago, story and the 6,000 years. The people reading in the Moses compared to the disciple. Okay. What it mean? What do you want to know about this? Okay, this about I reading right now is the Jesus talking to his disciple. Little while you never see me. Okay, little while you see me again. Okay, this meaning about this I reading right now. Okay, I have to keep it going right now. No, but thing I see pain in a little while you will see me no more, and then after little while you will see me. This meaning, no. Let them put out a pain kissing kissing. I tell you the truth, you will weep and mourn. Why the world rejects you will not graves, but you grave will try to join. No, but get them out tagi when it is simple, no. Đó you see ba chế ba tu cho lolo lỡ tu mẹ nó tu mẹ chi nó tu mẹ chi cái lọ đó tu cái hoa cái gì đó tu mẹ chi cái lọ đó tu cái hoa cái gì nó chế ba phải nè mà nó mẹ hoa khu nè nó cái ta ở lọ đó tu về đã ý tu ở ta ở nó bác sa đó tu ta ở nè cái đã kỳ lỡ ta ta khứ nó tu ta ở nè cái đã kỳ lỡ ta khứ nè lo nó lên ta lo khó ta lo bây cái chết mà trên này mà nó phải nè chế ra là mình đi tìm lại nó bây cái chết mà phải nè lúc bao cái nhóc lo nè ở quê quê chỉ li khá suy nhá nè bác sa này còn lo lo nè quê đi vào khó ta lo nè bây cái là pa solo còn lo to xếp hồ A woman giving birth to a child has pains because her time has come. But when her baby is born, she forgets the anguish before of her joy. Thus a child is born into the world. Let them go up a crop at the pata, let tagi the kind. Chế ra là đi lo bao mu à khờ nó bao mu à khờ bởi cái mà à thứ à xì xa phụ đó thứ ở ta ở phải mà nó đó bao mu nó thứ à xì xa phụ thứ ở ta ở lo à cái đấy à mu à la bali mẹ thứ phụ ta ở plei về đó à ta cứ về lỡ ba cái nhỏ đó ở plei lo học khu khơi ta đóจะตีนอทอกิลบะอัตนาตาพ่อบาจะตีนอทอกิลบะอัตนาตาพ่อบาเนาะเจเวตินี่มั้งเพยนี่ปะกะเลกว่าเพยจะเสพโพนี่เจเวดามั้งปะกะเจตมาละตาติดไผพอคุมันโซเนาะเจดาละโซเนาะ with you now is your time of grave but I will see you again and you will rejoice and no one will take away your joy. No one take away your joy. Let them go down on but yes, I'm okay, my friends. I'm okay. for years. Yes, no, I'm okay. Thank you so much, no. Let us go to our patinya sikolo taki the pai sikolo, no. They were all a kissy kini. They were minute mother didn't rock kagani. Tu ta ubasado, no, jagati do, tu katukuta kudo, tu tata kune, what he talk with or no, pretend mala, or le tu not a gaba, no. Tu kataku, no, but he talk with tu not a gaba, no. This is a very grateful, okay? No one will take away your joy. No one will take away your joy. What is the mean about the Jesus? Before, before maybe he will be sacrifices. After that, he died, and then he will be rising again. No, this meaning about the you little one, you will be grave. A little one, you will be rejoiced. This meaning, okay. In that day, you will no longer ask me anything. I tell you the truth. My Father will give you whatever you ask in my name. No, my Father will give you whatever you ask with my name. တော့ဖိနေပကရလေကွာလတပိတမှာဖိနေတရတာလမှုတနေနေသူတတိကွာရလတနောနမီပါယစီဘတေဘသူတော်လို့ဖေရသူခိတလယမီလေယပနေနော်မီလေပနေနော်ကဟီလောဝဲလေသူလောနော်မီလေပနေကဟီလောဝဲလေသူလောโอเคလက်တနခုတော့ပကလေကွာလနော်ကစ်လူနေတေဘပွာလမနေတမီလေနော်I'm tired now. You have not asked for anything in my name. Ask and you will receive it, and your joy will be complete. Your joy will be complete. No. Pari ro pakete mala pay ni no. Do lo kagane yi tu te khidi ba ta la yami nor mi ba. Tu te khidi ta la yami nor mi ba. Khidarki do tu kanita di tu tata khu kalato puetolo. Tu tata khu ne kalato puetolo. No? Okay, maybe didn't open thoughts I had been speaking. No? Figuratively, a time is coming when I will no longer use this kind of language. No? But will tell you plainly about my Father. No, penitevra bakala yapa takatega toti the palm, no. When it devra dinimo, paini pekle quala kissy any teva poilo minutimile. Tadapa yesiba teva tili, le takato adoli, mimi ta a circuito kabawe, le yakasiba teva, yet siba teva leba tila takato doba. Me yesiba teva tila pa agiclo, no? Sapicla, no, sapicla, ne, pagtete malatevela, tatu ota o do tamitato, do le pagtete mala, tatu sata sa, pocum, no, ero teve dinimo, no? Do bene paglequa, in this day you will ask me my name, I am not saying that, no, I will ask the Father on your behalf. No, panira pakitera mala ta mutani ni no ta mutani le mutani ni tu ka khita la yami no do yetasiba teba tu no panira pakitera mala do yetasiba teba tu le yeka khini tu go le pa ne ba no yeka khini tu le pa ne ba no do pai ni pakitera ba kisinu ni teba pa no. The Father himself loves you because you have loved me and have believed that I came from God. No, panera pagkita mana away ni no pagkita pamikhira le kasayuani no kasayisu takhini ta le pagoba. Basa na kero pani epo lo tili devara no. Agadi pa sada we etile ti eya dollar ti nala yehele ywa o hulo no. Awane pa no sada we lo no. E we ra po we ra ne no. Koblo panna kasakre ne hewele kasajwa. Okay. The God love us ready, right? And then because we know Jesus came from God, no away lo, no. This is the meaning about that, no. Okay, bekle kwa le, no. Kisi kone tebran. I came from the Father, and entering the world. Now I am leaving the world and going back to the Father, no. Kasa kritebra le Yesu kasa yapa udo pagiten mala yehen no su haku no haku clay do kay do ta sector bala no yeka hata kulo haku kle no yeka kigda ke su ka sajwa no awani yitele yeka sa klo lo translate agi klo no pepe ne pagale kwa le liso sibu atakwe wada dile no tebra yehe to le pa u do yehe lo su haku kle lo Magdor su yeka hatok wilo hoku do yekale tosu pa ulo no pani yekale tosu pa u ka hatok wilo hoku no awe helo lo hoku do ka hatok wilo hoku okay do kizikwini then Jesus disciples said now you are speaking clearly and without figures of speech no awene pagitena mala away ni no pagitena mal aplewa siva kwa kagene I nakatuta sapigala do naka no natakatuba le takatu aduba no takatu aduba no leta no kutaro bakrati nyala taki taklu kai sikolo now we can see that you know all things and thus you do not even need to have anyone ask your question. This made us believe that you come from God, no? Let tagir kha ini, no? Penala, no? Nehele kasayalo, no? Pagitete madine, no? Away metala, the sea, Davidadi, no? Kagane, Pathinya, no? Pathinya, Nathinya takele, no? Nathinya takele, do Potagaga Tikwana a lot uba. Leta yaku panala nehele jwa ulo no leta na yaku no okay we understand about this there no we know even need to have anyone ask you no no you question this made us believe that you come from God no leta na kuda no we see that you know all things, you know all things. Jesus know all things. Jesus know heaven thing. Jesus know earth thing. No, Jesus know people. Everything. Jesus know all things. No. Do pay do pakle kwale tamata ne you believe as last no. Jesus I'm sure. Pay no pakete mala. That's it on a table. Jesus is certain. Jesus is a me thina ta kekne ya no me thina ta kekne ya you believe as last no but Jesus I'm sure but a time is come and each no but is to his own home you will leave me all alone yes I am not alone for my Father is with me no when we understand about that the time came, disciples leave Jesus alone, but Jesus say, I am not alone, I am with my Father. No, apa odo no, because mala. Tasek me bani, tasek look at heaven, Natika had daya killer, Basanaki, no, yet ute the gaba, no, ya udo, yaparo, no, error opinion, no. Pero kwa ta sekato no ta asekato ba do kegni in le titer kalobi ro pla tagasu aloda we do ka tu pagida mala no bu pagida ma ka tu kele da daya no tu kele daya do tu kapalote ya le taga no taga ခုလောနော်ဘာသာတော့ဖိနေနော်ရတ်ဥနော်ဘတ်တကာခေါ်ပါအဂိဒီပဥရရလောသူကပါတိရတကာခေါ်ဘာသာနေရတူတကာခေါ်ပါရဥရရပါနော်ရဥရရပါနော်လက်တရခုရပကရပတိပတာဖေးစစ်ကောလပကရနာပစစ်ကောနော် Father is with me နော် Father is with me ရပါနေဥရရပကတဲ့မှာနော်ရပါဥရရ Okay I have told you these things so that it means you may have peace. In this world you will have trouble. But take heart. I have overcome the world. No? ပကတဲ့မှာလည်းရတဲ့သူလတာဂီတိဖိုင်နေနော်ပကတဲ့မှာလည်းမေခေါ်လို့ရပူနေသူတော့တာခုတာဖို့ Okay တာခုတာဖို့သူတော့တာခုတာဖို့နော်le haku apuine le haku kleine no tu oro tako take trouble no tako take pasadana kiro no hine le paga le tapu no yeke he le haku kle pagitena ma no phene tera yesiba no yesiba tu le tani de pha di tu ko udo ta khu ta pho le ရပူလောလောခုဤတိကပတာဖော်လောဘာသာတော့ပါတုတာခုတလေတကြီးယမနလီဟောက်ကိုလီနော်ပါတုတာခုတလေနော်ယမနဟောက်ကိုလီနော် Okay my friends and my brother and sister this is a desirable grace we trying to join no we understand about that we follow Jesus not disciple follow Jesus Alright, after Jesus died, how they are feeling? No, you feeling about your household. Some people die, you feeling more, and then sad, weeps. Okay, this meaning about the come from you. Jesus know everything about happening to the disciple. Maybe Jesus leave disciple. They will be pain and then. Troubles and something afraid, okay, but Jesus talking this thing, okay, you should know about this thing. You will say, oh Jesus, we after die, okay, we don't need to do nothing, okay, Jesus remind them all the thing happen coming to us, okay, later than Jesus died, you know, after that Jesus told them are raising again, okay, this meaning they will be rejoined, rejoice another time, when they see Jesus, Jesus rising from the dead, they Jesus and then they rejoin again. Okay, thank you so much, my friend and my brother and sister. Okay, God bless you all. Maybe you will be rejoined in the Jesus, not in the world. Not in the world is you will be trouble. You see so many things in the world. Okay, people tell you good thing, bad thing, or people tell you so many things about people look at you, or people saw you, or people make fun of you. Whatever they do, okay, but in the world you will be trouble. You have trouble. But in the Jesus, okay, you will be peace. Okay, thank you so much, my friend and my brother and sister. You want to read back John chapter 16 verse, okay, 17 to 16 to 33 there. Okay, thank you watching the channel. I put it down in the YouTube channel. Okay, you can look at that and then you will find it exactly. You can read it by yourself. You will get more experience and then given your knowledge, okay, you will know something important in your life. Thank you so much, my friend and my brother and sister in the world to watching my channel. God bless you all, every person. I see you